Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's see some amazing, awesome action on cats. Crash Arena Turbo Stars. So this is the chassis I'm going to use. A surfer, which is a level 1 carbon with 2 weapon and 1 accessory. A roller which gives 30% to surfer, and a roller which gives 120% to gadgets, and a harpoon which gives 120% to bodies, and a minigun which gives 35% to surfer, and a co-pilot with 70 who gives 70% HP to my vehicle. So with this single vehicle I am going to instant 3 parts of carbon, no 4 parts of carbon, all the parts of carbon with this single vehicle. So for marking I am adding the stickers. Here we go. I am in carbon part 1 in level 20, and with this vehicle I am just going to try to instant all the carbon parts. So here we go, and I don't even have pilot energy also. So here we go, the first fight. Well, I'm really very confident on this vehicle because of the massive HP. Look at the massive HP. It's 2,50,000. Really awesome. And this is really an head-on fight. Head-on. Because I got no technique, just a blade, which is a counter for lifter, and the blade is also a special one because it gives 120% to weapons, and a minigun for damage, and roll, and a harpoon which gives HP to my surfer. So it's just a simple vehicle with no technique, just a head-on fight. So I am going with a massive HP. This is really an ultimate vehicle. So for the entire carbon I am just going to use this vehicle alone by just modifying the wheels and weapons if I get anything. So I have instant carbon first level from stage 20 to stage 21. I am going with this surfer. Okay, I'll choose the alien. Whatever I get doesn't matter. I'm just going to, I got a minigun, but still I'm going to go with that was some nice goodies. So here we go, level 21 carbon part 2. I'm going again without no support from the co-pilot. This is simply massive HP, doing wonders even in the carbon part 2, because some might have really very high HP in carbon part 2 because they will also get some good vehicles. See, as you can see, I have very low damage, but I have massive HP, and I am going head on without any technique, just a head on fight. So these are bots, so it is very easy. I think half of them were players, half of them were bots. So let's see if we instant this or not. And I didn't even upgrade any of my parts in this carbon part 2 so far. Nice. Fight 12, fight 13, fight 14. Yeah, obviously a win. Yeah, we have instanted carbon part 2 also. Promoted to stage 22. The same vehicle with no techniques, just a head-on fight, head to head. Okay, let's see. Oh, 120% win on Safar. Nice. That was a nice one. Okay. Now we'll. Oh, all of them are players. Well, I gave it a try. So I came back with the energy because I needed to get this guy. See, he also have 2 lakh HP and also a 1 lakh damage. So I increased my HP and I also increased my damage from 30,000 to 70,000. So with the help of co-pilot, I used one skill. Other than that, now I can't use my skill also because I had just energy for one skill. Okay, let's give it a try. He got technique, but I got HP. A head-on fight. Head on. Here we go. Fight 8. So far, I have used just one skill of the co-pilot. Just one skill. And I have beat 28 opponents. And if I beat this level, 14 more opponents will add on. It's a massive 1 versus all. Just this one surfer versus all enemies. Here we go, the last fight. Carbon part 3. Wow! We have won! Awesome! Really awesome, isn't it? We have promoted to stage 23. If I finish this stage 23, I can prestige. And from carbon part 3 to carbon part 4. I also got a like. If you like the video, you also give a like. Oh, I got an awesome surfer, but still I'm just going to go with this current surfer I'm using. All of them are players, none of them are bots. Okay, again I have upgraded my vehicle. At the end I will show what I have, the final vehicle that I am using. Okay, here we go, the last carbon level for prestige. If I win this level, I'll be instanting all the carbon parts. All the carbon parts with just one vehicle. It's really a miracle, and that too, it's a carbon part 1 vehicle. Just part 1. Here we go. Fight 8. Well, the good thing that happened was I had a minigun of golden part previously, but now I have a minigun of carbon part, so I have around 1 lakh damage. That is quite good. So 3 lakh HP and 1 lakh 50,000 damage. The last fight. If I win this one, I'll instant this carbon last fight. Wow! I've instanted. Yeah. Wow! With single vehicle, I've instanted all the carbon parts. I've been promoted to stage 10. For now, I can prestige. You can see all of them are just the same vehicle, the same sticker. Really awesome. Just with one vehicle, I'm Wow, it's a miracle. A literal miracle. And it's without a technique, without using lifter, just a head-on fight. And the carbon part 1 vehicle, I've inserted all the carbon parts. You can see the same 2 rollers, 1 minigun, 1 harpoon, 1 blade, and the same surfer. And if you can see, I didn't change too many parts. The same harpoon, the same blade, just the rollers I have changed, and the minigun I have changed. Other than that, it's the same. Wow, I inserted all the carbon parts, same vehicle. Awesome, really awesome. And I just used one skill of the co-pilot. That is also an important thing to notice. Awesome, isn't it? Now I have already shown what is the surfer I have used in the start. Now I will show what is the surfer I am using and the increase. So a level 3 surfer of part 1 carbon, that's the important thing to notice. And the same stickers you can see that I put in this, and the same roller, and this is an upgraded roller of carbon part 4, and a harpoon which gives 120% to bodies with increased HP, and a minigun which is level 10 and 40% on whale, so it is not useful, but I didn't level up the minigun, you should notice that. And a blade which is not leveled up but boosted with damage, and it also gives 120% damage. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Share and subscribe if you like the video. Leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. Thank you.